A young diagram is an arrangement of boxes in rows and columns. So for example, this is a young diagram. It's important that the boxes in the rows are left aligned, and the length of the rows, they do not increase when we go down from top to bottom. So we can turn this young diagram into a young tableau by writing numbers into the boxes, for example, like this. And the rule when you write in numbers is that the numbers have to be increasing along columns. So like here, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and so on. Same here, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 7. And numbers must not decrease along columns. You can have repetitions of the same number, like here, 2, 2, 3, 4, but they must not decrease.